In this video, I will show you exactly how to duplicate a project in Adobe Express using the quick copy method. This is a fantastic feature to master when you want to create multiple versions of a design or keep a backup of your original work before making major changes. To get started, make sure you are logged into your account and sitting on the Adobe Express homepage. From here, you need to navigate to your saved work by looking at the left-hand sidebar menu. You should see a section labeled Your Stuff or sometimes simply Projects depending on your specific version of the interface. Go ahead and click on that option to view your full library of creations. Once your projects load, take a moment to scroll through and find the specific file you want to copy. When you locate the correct thumbnail, you will notice a small icon with 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner of the image. This is the Options menu. Click those 3 dots to open a drop-down list of actions you can take. Among the choices, like Rename or Move, you will see the Duplicate option. Simply click Duplicate, and Adobe Express will instantly create an exact replica of your project